I have fixed your doorbell from the ringing. There is no charge.
Thank you. What do you want?
I am from the telephone company. There is something the matter with your phone.
My phone?
But?
You said there's something the matter with my phone.
Yes.
My phone?
That is correct, yes. That is what I've been saying.
There's no trouble with the telephones here.
I know when there is a trouble and when there is not the trouble. And I can definitely tell you that there is a trouble. You may rest assured of that.
Since when?
Since it was reported.
I see. But what is the trouble with the telephones?
If I knew that, I could simply call you up and tell you what the trouble is.
What's the trouble?
This man says we have trouble with our telephones.
Allow me to introduce myself. I am Émile Flournoy, communications expert and chief troubleshooter for the Nice Telephone Company.
Oh, please come in, monsieur. Now, what can we do to help you?
Which is your nearest phone?
There.
What? Ah, yes. Yes. This phone will not do at all. Show me another phone. It won't do at all, I'm afraid.
Show Monsieur
Flournoy.
Flournoy, the telephone in Sir Charles's study. I hope you locate the trouble, monsieur.
Madame, it is my business to locate trouble. No trouble back there.
If you require anything.
Monsieur, all I require is a phone, my little bag of tools, and some privacy in